Right, so when it comes to investments or financial planning in general, tax planning plays a vital role when it comes to all of these aspects. And I'm going to give over to the more technical, I want to say more clever, but I don't really agree with that. But I'm going to give over to PJ, as our tax expert, if I can call him that. Chartered accountant. So PJ, how can one work more clever with tax, and how can you avoid paying tax?
I'll definitely say it's more clever, but anyways, we'll talk about that. So it's definitely one of the most important aspects, because investments is investments, and the only reason, the difference between a retirement annuity, a unit trust, and a tax-free savings is the tax structure. So that's a vehicle you use. So tax is the most important, I feel, part almost to play in investments. So the tax benefits that everyone knows about is a retirement annuity, or at your work, a pension fund. And the biggest benefit that you have is that you don't get taxed on the contributions you make. So if you earn 200,000 Rand and you contribute 20,000 Rand to that fund, SARS won't tax you on that amount you can contribute.
Why would they not tax you? What's the reason?
They won't tax you because they don't want to look after you one day when you are old. Because they have to look after 45 million already. So if we can look after ourselves, that will be great for them. So that's definitely why they give the benefit. And that's one benefit. The other benefit is you don't get taxed on the money. The growth of the money. Yeah. No dividends tax, no capital gains tax, no interest. But one day people say, okay, but you don't get that tax benefit now, but one day you will be taxed on it. It's true that when you take an income, you will, but on the first lump sum that you take, there's a big tax benefit. First 500,000 is tax free. And you will be at an older age and you won't have that big income, so you will be on a better rate. So that's definitely something to consider.
So that's a retirement annuity. Alright, what else can we do?
So, and a lot of people, the other, let's say, negative of a retirement annuity is you can only access that money until up when you're 55 or retiring. So if you don't want to wait that long, you can put it in a tax-free savings. So what's nice about that is you also don't get taxed on the growth. So no dividends tax, no capital gains tax, no interest, but you don't get that benefit on the contributions you make, but you have access to that money at any time. And this is especially a good investment for a long-term investment if you want to save for your kids going to college.
But I know there's a cap, or you cannot, there's a certain cap that you can put.
So you can only invest 33,000 Rand a year. That's for most people quite a big amount, and 500,000 Rand over your lifetime. So again, I think taxes is very important in this.
So if all of this sound a bit too Greek for me and I don't really know where to start, what do you just recommend for the layman? What do I do? Where do I go? What do I do? How do I work with taxes if I don't want to do it myself?
Yeah, so normally on the one side you can go to a professional advisor that can help you on the investment side, and then your tax practitioner or your accountant can help you with the accounting side. Or you can get and put it and they need to talk to each other that you can get the best advice that suits you as an individual.
Alright, so if you have more questions than answers, please you can comment below and PJ or myself will answer that, and please let us know what questions that you do have. Till next time.